What's up, YouTube? This your girl, Lala Licious. The song I'm about to do is kind of old, but it's the girl version that I wrote of Did You Wrong. We should have lost this relationship a long time ago. Gotta let you know. You ain't the one for me. Always lying and fussing. Got me crying. You didn't love me. Well, I didn't love you. You did me wrong. This is your song. Not coming back. You ain't getting me back. You did me wrong. This is a song. Not coming back. Won't get me back. No. No matter what you did. No matter.